Hi, welcome to my behind the scenes with the GFX100RF. I'm David Gaberle, and we are here in Prague to see what this rangefinder style camera is about. The first thing I notice is how elegant it is and how well it fits into my hands. It's so unobtrusive, I can easily blend into the crowds and shoot undistracted in the city's beautiful and historic center. Not only can I change the format of the images on the camera itself, but I can also switch focal lengths as if I was using different lenses. I've been waiting for this feature ever since I started using FUJIFILM's large format cameras. And although this is undoubtedly an amazing travel camera, I don't really travel as much as I used to. So what I would like to do today is show you what a day of shooting with the GFX100RF looks like in my own neighborhood. With the new camera, I enjoy going for walks to clear out my mind, process whatever emotions I repressed at work, and just enjoy myself and the light near to where I live. I'm showing JPEGs to illustrate the colors that come out right out of the camera. But what really makes the GFX100RF special for me is the fact that I can carry just one compact body with a built-in lens and not have to carry other lenses with me. But it still allows me to change perspective as if I did. Normally, the days in the winter aren't this sunny, and I usually feel quite melancholic. But the playfulness of this camera made me come up with an idea that I would love to see come to fruition. It's an idea of a photography game, or rather a computer game, where I could develop my sensitivity and learn new things about photography in the winter months. Let me show you how. The idea behind the game is to help me when I don't feel particularly creative, but would still like to do something playful. In the game, I choose animal characters based on what part of the photography process I want to practice. With the Panther, for example, I search for the light and take photos. I can choose if I want to shoot through the display or change my environment and enjoy a new city. Large format of the sensor, I really enjoy processing the photographs, so I would choose a more fun-loving animal like the otter. The combination of the playful nature of the otter and the flexibility of data coming from the camera makes this really fun. The purpose of processing in the game is to find out which colors resonate with me. With the GFX100RF, the times where I would process the image are usually when I need to correct for my own mistakes in exposure. That's also where one can really benefit from the range of possibilities of FUJIFILM's beautiful color rendering. Another animal in the game would be the butterfly, known for its transformation. Although it's a new and potentially transformative technology, the 100RF is based upon FUJIFILM's history. One of my interests is understanding how people from my country lived and looked at the world decades ago. I'm particularly fascinated by photographers who document their lives with an eye of an artist, even if it means taking pictures from their windows or pictures of their cats. In the fourth and last section of the game, I choose the wolf for its ability to communicate. This section is designed to help develop an understanding of the connections between images. The wolf has the purpose of creating sequences out of photographs, but because the camera is so playful, I decided to do something new that helps me widen my perception. The idea here is to compose the photographs in a way that makes my eye travel across all the frames. Shooting with this camera and printing on FUJIFILM paper allows me to have control over the final colors. I save time on technicalities and have more time to study the effect of images on the mind and the body, and how the eye follows and processes visual information. If I could choose a camera to play this game with, it would definitely be the GFX100RF. I've never been this excited about a camera in my life, and since playfulness is a matter of creativity, I don't think I will need any other camera for many years to come.
This really is the one and only camera I need for my photography right now.